Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. The controversial divestment of the White Marl Small Industrial Complex is back in the spotlight. On this occasion, the Integrity Commission has recommended that the Factories Corporation of Jamaica, FCJ, terminate and abort the sale. TVJ's Andrew Laidley has been tracking this story and now joins me live. Andrew, what's the latest on this issue?
Yeah, Vashan, well, just as a reminder, the matter we're discussing here had to do with the plight of a few small manufacturers who are tenants at the government-owned White Marl Small Industrial Complex. Now, if you recall, the small manufacturers argued that they were not being treated fairly in the divestment process. Now, as a result, they insisted that the Integrity Commission launch an investigation. That investigation is now complete, and the Commission has sided with the small manufacturers.
This is the property which is up for sale. Up to November last year, the Factories Corporation of Jamaica was prepared to sell it to the Lasco Group of companies for $322 million. The only thing outstanding was cabinet approval. And while small manufacturers cried foul play in the divestment process, FCJ Chairman Littleton Tanny Shirley insisted that the agency did nothing wrong.
I will challenge any agency that looks at corruptions or breaches to come here, go through our files, check everything we do, right, and hold us accountable.
And that's exactly what happened. Executive Director at the Integrity Commission, Colonel Daniel Price, told the Business Day that the investigation uncovered missteps in the process and procedures carried out by the FCJ. He went on to say that the Commission has recommended that the sale be retendered in the interest of fairness. Colonel Price refused to comment on the finer details of the investigation, but promised to make the report available as soon as possible. In a letter dated January 23, the FCJ informed its tenants that it has accepted the recommendation of the Integrity Commission and will terminate the present sale process for the White Marl complex.
Thank you so much. That report by our reporter Andrew Laidley. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $140.78. The Canadian dollar sold for $109.73. The pound is going for $182.13, while the euro closed the day at $155.24. The JC index lost 5,702 points today, and the junior market index declined by 25 points. Among the winners were Pulse Investments, G West Corporation, Stanley Motor, Mayberry Jamaican Equities, and Lasco Manufacturing. On the losing side were Grace Kennedy, Proven Investments, US dollar shares, Honeybun, Jetcon Corporation, and Phosridge. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.